Hello everyone, welcome to another recipe with Kanama Cooks. Today we will make a quick and jiffy Masala Muttai Paniyaram. All you need is some idli dosai batter, some eggs and some basic veggies and some spices. And within minutes, your Masala Muttai Paniyaram will be ready. It makes for a perfect snack in the evening or to pack in a lunch box. Here is how to do it. Take about 2 cups of idli dosai batter in a bowl and break an egg into it. Add some salt and whisk everything well to combine. The egg mixed into the batter will make it very fluffy and it adds for a very rich taste to the paniyarams. Once the batter is uniformly mixed, add some finely chopped onions. Add some finely chopped tomatoes. I have used de-seeded tomatoes today and make sure to chop them fine. Add little ginger, curry leaves and some finely chopped green chillies. I like to make these paniyarams a little spicy. Add some freshly chopped coriander leaves and an egg. I have boiled the egg and chopped them fine. Finally, add some black pepper powder. Mix everything well to combine. Make sure to chop all the vegetables and herbs as fine as possible so they are evenly distributed in the batter. Once mixed, the batter is ready. This batter does not store well, so it needs to be used right away. Heat a paniyarakal and add some oil to the molds. I have used peanut oil for making the paniyaram today. Indian style sesame oil or even vegetable oil can also be used for making these. Ladle a little batter and add it to the pan. Make sure not to add too much batter as the middle of the paniyarams will not cook if you add too much batter. These paniyarams need to be cooked on a low-medium flame as we have added all the veggies, the onions, tomatoes and everything is raw. Cook for a minute on each side so the paniyarams cook evenly and are cooked thoroughly. After a minute, flip the paniyarams and cook on the other side. If you want a very rich paniyaram, you can sprinkle little ghee at this stage. Cook on the other side till golden. Make sure to cook on both the sides till the paniyarams look golden. Once the paniyarams are roasted and golden, remove them from the pan. These paniyarams can be eaten on their own or served with a spicy kara chutney. Enjoy them hot. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Until next time, it's me Suguna signing off and take care. Bye bye.